Many people have heard of jet streams, which are rivers of air in Earth's atmosphere that travel at heights of between 20,000 and 45,000 feet. Meteorological jet streams separate colder air from warmer air, and the winds of these phenomena can reach speeds of up to 200 miles per hour.
With the increasing number of innovations in the field of AI, we can surely say that we are going to witness a lot of development and miracles in our lives. Probably, the employment patterns and schemes might entirely change. We might have an employment revolution.
The free market is extremely competitive, and companies are constantly trying to gain an edge over their rivals. Merchandising and brand image play a major role in attracting customers, but they often lead to overpackaging. This is a serious problem since most packaging these days is made of plastics which are not biodegradable. Some people blame the manufacturers for their blatant disregard, while others point the finger at consumers.
Hundreds of millions of American people eat fast food every day without giving it too much thought, unaware of the subtle and not so subtle ramifications of their purchases. They just grab their tray off the counter, find a table, take a seat, unwrap the paper, and dig in. The whole experience is transitory and soon forgotten.
Exhilarating, exhausting, and intense, there are just some of the words used to describe doing an MBA. Everyone's experience of doing MBA is, of course, different through denying that it is hard and a demanding work whichever course you do. MBA is one of the fastest growing areas of studying in the UK, so that must be a sustainable benefit against form in one pain.
The audio, which includes more than 1,000 separate data files, was captured in the early 1970s by the late Hetty van der Riet. She recorded the various screams, barks, and calls made by a group of chimps, including 17 youngsters, living in the Gombe National Park in Tanzania.
Sleep behavior is also known as sleep disorder. People with sleep disorder often talk or walk in their sleep. They are not aware of what they are talking about or where they are going. There isn't any serious effect on body in general, but it may be connected to the mental health. People with childhood traumas, unspeakable problem, or depression are the ones with different sleep behavior.
Researchers have found a way to convert the aromatic substance vanillin into a redox active electrolyte material for liquid batteries. The technology is an important step towards ecologically sustainable energy storage.
Almost 200 years after French physicist Jean Peltier discovered that electric current flowing through the junction of two different metals could be used to produce a heating or cooling effect, researchers say it is time to step up efforts to find new materials for the thermoelectric cooling market.
With the help of newly discovered skulls and skeletons that were unearthed in North America, Brazil, Argentina, and Madagascar in recent years, researchers have demonstrated that a group of dinosaur precursors, called logopedids, are the closest relatives of pterosaurs.